In this video, we are going to show you how to set up a WhatsApp chat widget in Elfsight. Once you log into your account, you will be brought to the homepage again, and you want to hover your mouse here on widgets like so. Now here you want to look at chats over here, and then on the very bottom that says WhatsApp chat. So click on this. It's going to open the WhatsApp chat page. Wait for it to load. There you go. So once we're here, click on the create widget for free button here, like so. It's going to slide out to where we could choose a template we want to use, right? So you're going to see the preview over here on the right hand side. If you want to choose this one, as you can see, it's going to change this one. There you go. So for example, we want to choose this one, right? You want to click on this green button over here on the bottom left that says continue with this template. Here you need to link your WhatsApp number over here on the bar, and then you can actually edit the content. So you can edit bubbles, you can edit the chat window, you can customize the welcome message, so on and so forth. So after you customize everything and you're satisfied, all you need to do is click on add to website for free here on the bottom, and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.